Hi everyone, welcome back to the math channel. Today we'll be discussing how to find the power of an algebraic expression. Back in our arithmetic days, if we were to look for the square of 3 or the second power of 3, we would say 3 squared, and that would be equal to 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Now, to find the third power or the cube of 2, we would have done 2 raised to the power 3 will be equal to 2 times 2 times 2. And that's definitely equal to 8. Now, the same way, we can find the power of an algebraic expression. So if we were to find the second power or the third power of mn squared, what that means is mn squared, sorry guys, what that means is mn squared all raised to power 3. And that will be equal to mn squared multiplied by itself 2 more times. Mn squared times mn squared. Right? So by heart, I know this is m cubed n raised to power 6. But for those of us that do not know how to do this by heart, we would be employing the law of exponent that is called power of a product. We discussed this in the last 2 classes, or the last 3 classes, where we were discussing the laws of exponent. So you can take a look at that video and do a revision. In fact, I highly recommend that. So the law tells us to do this: mn squared all raised to power 3, right? So what the law says is that a plus b raised to power m will be equal to a raised to power m times b raised to power m. That means we're distributing the exponent m over the base a and the base b. So let's apply this law to the question we're trying to solve. Mn squared cube would be equal to m raised to power 1, n raised to power 2. We can rewrite it like that. So that becomes m raised to power 1 times 3. We distribute the exponents 3 over m and n. N raised to power 2 times 3. And that will be equal to m raised to power 3, n raised to power 6. Now, let's check our knowledge. Quickly, you can pause this video and try to evaluate 2xy squared z all raised to power 4. Take some time, pause the video, and evaluate it. Welcome back. Let's evaluate 2xy squared z all raised to power 4. Again, remember the law of exponent, the power of a product, right? So we can rewrite 2xy squared z as 2x raised to power 1, y raised to power 2, z raised to power 1, all into bracket 4. And if you remember, again, the product of the power of a product, it says a plus b raised to power m equal to a raised to power m, b raised to power m. Now let's apply this to this expression. That would become 2x raised to power 1, y squared, z raised to power 1, all power 4. That will be equal to 2 raised to power 4, x raised to power 1 times 4, y raised to power 2 times 4. 0 raised to the power 1 times 4. That becomes 2 raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 4, y raised to the power 8, because 2 times 4 is 8, and z raised to the power 4, because 1 times 4 is definitely 4. So now let's evaluate this. 2 raised to the power 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and that is 16. X raised to the power 4, y raised to the power 8, z raised to the power 4. That's our final answer. So that's all we have for you for today. But before we go, I have some take-home assignments for you. Please try them out. Always remember that the best way to be good at math is to practice. Practice a lot. Please, if you have gotten some value in this video, please share to your friends, help them to do better in math. Also, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends to subscribe as well. That's the best way to help the channel grow. Thank you very much and see you again.